Hi guys, the Christmas season is coming up and I decided to, get my stepson, you know, a nice gift for his game, his PlayStation 4. And the first one I got for him, it was a little too big, but we'll get into a little bit more into that a little later. Um, so we're going to do an open envelope today. I got this from Amazon, and of course they didn't seal it properly, but it got here in one piece apparently. Oh yeah, it did. Alright, and it's this is from KingTop. It's a charging vertical stand. It's for the PlayStation 4. It's also for the Slim Pro. It's pretty much what they call universal. The first one I got, I thought I actually got the right one until I realized it was a little too big. As you can see, there are different sizes. This one has like 3. I think this one is the bigger ones. And he has the two striped one, like these here, which is the smaller one, the slim. But sadly, on the box itself for the game, it didn't say it was a somebody opened this already. Anyways, so sadly on the box it said, it didn't say what size it was. So I actually went exploring. So when we ladies try to be sneaky and try to give everyone surprises, that happens. So yeah, this is our open box. So as you can see, it says there. So you can fit either the slim or the bigger PlayStation 4. I'm not a pro when it comes to gaming stuff. Although I used to play Nintendo 64 from a young age, but I'm not really into the game gadgets and all that good stuff. My game is actually Sims 4. I love my building houses and stuff. I actually have a channel for that, Spanish Carib. You can check that out. And yeah, we're gonna open this up and see what this looks like. Alright, throw that there. I actually like this. And this little envelope packaging stuff. Yeah. So here he can, he has his ports. And let's put this aside. This I believe is for, the charges controllers. And yeah, as I was saying before, it's pretty much universal, because when I had gotten the first one, it was a little too big for the whole of the game vertical, as they say. So it's supposed to, let me see, oh no, wrong way. Yes, this is the way it's got to go. Alright, to see it fits snug. Pull that up. There you go. Alright. Make sure that's right, good. It's supposed to hold the game like that. Right? When I first bought the first one, it did not have this, although you can get this separate. And I did not buy this. I actually spent someone else's money. And when I say that, I usually do surveys, because I don't get paid to do this. These are actual stuff that I buy. I don't get to try these out. This is actually things I buy, as in my other video. That's why I actually take long to put stuff out, because I don't actually, get stuff to try out and all that good stuff. So yeah, so you see, it fits snug. And the other one, the first one that I got, it was actually without this. Let me see, I can take this out, lift this out, so you guys can have an idea what I'm talking about. It sucks having long nails, ladies. So yeah, I could have bought this separately for the other one, but I did not, because I would have been spending, money that I didn't have. So I sent it back and they refunded me, and I went and I got this one with both parts, so you can actually have it for the bigger PlayStations. And you see, this is the space I had when I got the first one. See guys, let me see. So you end up with that space there. So I had to send it back to got the universal one, which is this one, so the slim could actually fit. So for us ladies who don't know much about this stuff, play it safe. Play it safe. And it's pretty much easy to go back in there, right? And fit it in snug. I like this fit. It's really good. And this only cost me $16. The first one I got, it was actually $15, so it's just $1 more. So I still actually, it turned out really well. right? And we're going to put the power cord here. I hope you guys are seeing this. Put that in there. It's not hard. And he got all his stuff hooked up. He's actually on punishment. Yeah, he took his game away, but he doesn't know what he's getting. All he's keep asking what he's getting. But you know what I liked about the first one? They actually gave, you know, they give like a cover for the control sticks, the joysticks. It's called these joysticks back in the day. I don't know if they still do. Called the joystick is a happy stick. You can anyway, getting carried away, right? And plug that in there. Of course, when he's charging his stuff up, this comes out from here. Of course, this rests here. Let's see if I put that. Lovely. Love it when a plan comes together. Alright, let's plug this baby in. I don't know how it's going to work without being connected to the television. But the first one I did try it out and it was connected to the television. And when I put it on, it actually, the fan came on together with everything, which was actually nice. I was trying not to show my face, guys. I'm not into the whole camera thing. I really ain't. Oh, it actually went in better flush. Oh, sweet. Right, so I don't know if it would work differently now, but let's try this thing out and see if it works. Where is the power button? I know I saw it somewhere here. Oh, there it is to the front. I didn't know. High, low. Oh, I guess that's the speed for the fan. High, low, and so I brought you guys to get a glimpse of how this thing works. I had to bring it inside, hook it up to the TV, because you wouldn't, you know, I wasn't seeing how it works. So let me see. I'm going to put the power on. Hope I do this right. I haven't never played PlayStation. Actually, I played PlayStation, but they say hook it up and know how the thing works. No, I don't. What is happening? Isn't there any power? What is going on? Okay, guys. So I had to wait a while. Apparently, it needs to be updated. So he's been on punishment so long that he has to update his stuff now. So it's updating. That's why it took so long to come on. Anyways, so let's see how the fan. Well, the fan didn't come on. So since the fan didn't come on, I guess the knobs, the buttons to the front are actually the fan knobs. So I'm trying not to block you guys. Let me scoot over quickly. Sorry. So let's see what happens here. So we got. Okay, apparently it's off. Ah, it works. So it's low. And then it's high. So it works. Okay. Alright. Yeah, and there's a light. It's green. I would guess that indicates that, you know, I don't know what it indicates because I haven't read the manual, and it did come with a manual. Charging port. There's also lights here. The blue shows that it's fully charged, and when it's red, that means it's charging. I just want to do a quick run through of this. Let me show you guys the manual because I forgot the manual. I saw it when I took the stuff out, but I didn't get to show you guys. It's cute. This is the manual it came with. I don't think you may need it, but since I am not really versed in this stuff, yeah, there it is. You have all the instructions telling you what light is what. So yeah, you got the fan. That was easy to figure out. So it's a little different from the first one that I got. The first one, the fan, as soon as you plug it in, it's hooked up. It comes out automatically. This one has an on and off switch. It's kind of cool, which means that, you know, when you feel like it's overheating, you can always put it on. And when you know think it's cooled down, you can switch it off. So that's kind of cool. You have your speeds high, low, and all that good stuff. And you know, and it's showing you the lights. That number 3. Oh, that's a charging port. Sweet. So that's what that light is about. Just to give you guys a close-up look at what I'm talking about. There it is. There's a light. See, it's green. And you can hear the fan. It's actually cool. So guys, I have the game playing in the background. It's updating. So you see that's a charging port. It shows blue, it's fully charged. And when it's not fully charged, it's actually turned red. What I realized is that the fan apparently has this, I don't know if it has a sensor in it. It will blow for a certain amount of period of time and then it will cut off. I don't know if that's just me assuming that, but I've been sitting here and waiting, and it ran for some time. I can't say how long, but quite a while, and then it got cut off, and then it came back on after a few minutes. So I don't know if that's true, or it's just maybe because I touched a few things, because like I said, I'm not too familiar with connecting these gadgets up. So I'm just saying what I'm experiencing at the moment. I could be wrong. I can be wrong. So yeah. So there you go. KingTop, everybody. $16, not bad.